Welcome to WhiteCane Academy, inclusive learning for a brighter tomorrow.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of WhiteCane Academy. Before starting the video, I am really sorry because we were not able to upload videos for the past almost 1 month due to some internal issues and technical issues. But from today onwards, we are now back with new exciting videos. So keep your eyes and ears on our channel to watch them. And also, if you are a Hindi speaker, Hindi listener, we have a dedicated channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe our WhiteCane Academy Hindi. I'll put the link into the video description below, as well as I'll try to pin it in the comment section. So guys, my name is Ratul and I'm your host for today's video. In this video, we are going to discuss about Tech Freedom version 5. As you might already heard that Tech Freedom has launched their major update TF5, and in TF5 there are few changes on UI UX, and you will get different things, and I believe that you will have a better experience. Today we will discuss what's the new in this TF5, and if you have any specific questions, ask in the comment section. I'll try to make different small short videos on different your answering your questions. So without further delay, let's get started. So let me open the Tech Freedom application.
Tech Freedom Home.
Now you will have the option to organize the features as list or grid as per your choice. I always prefer list, but if you prefer grid, then it will be okay for you also.
View as grid. View as grid.
See,
button.
First you will see view as grid or list. So currently I am using list format, so now I'm just clicking on view as grid, and now you can see that this view has been changed to grid.
App backup button.
So app backup, almost there is no changes in app backup. In UI,
audio transcription.
Audio
button.
transcription, there is no changes in UI in the terms of UI.
Cache reader button.
Cache reader, no, there is also not changes anything.
Document reader button.
Document reader, yes, there are certain changes is there. Now let me open this.
Document reader.
And now you will see
document. Import document.
Import document.
Button. My library.
My library.
Videshini Paschatya Premar Bil
So this is one book which I have saved in my library.
Button.
You can delete.
Stop recording. Delete. Finish. My import document.
So let me try
Out
to
of
import
list.
some documents, and then I will show you how it works actually. So I have already opened this file.
TF reader.
TF reader. Now document it is called TF reader.
More options button.
So under more options you will find some features.
Pop-up bookmarks. Add bookmark.
Add bookmarks. Copy. Translate.
Share text.
Share document.
Clear OCR cache.
Clear all OCR cache. So directly you can clear OCR cache from here.
Clear audio cache.
So you can clear all the audio cache files directly from this document reader. I mean document reader of TF. And this is a new feature, new upgrade.
Stop recording. Clear audio
so
cache.
if you wish, you can do it.
TF reader. More options.
Next.
Sample_certificate.
This is the file name, sample certificate. Next.
VI Tech Academy. In list.
Okay, so this is
items.
our old name, VI Tech Academy, which we used earlier. Now it is WhiteCane Academy. This is a sample certificate of our old template.
Certified by ISO certificate. This is to Rahul.
Now
has successful WordPress fundament course.
See,
remarks. Good. Date of completion. The 4th of August 2024.
See, this is a proper PDF file. But if you want to do, if you are having any OCR based file or OCR based things, then you will find these options.
Ask TFAI button out of list.
At the very left of the bottom you will find Ask TFAI. Before it was Document AI, now it is Ask TFAI, and if you click here Before this, I'll just explain next.
OCR button.
OCR button.
Listen button.
Listen button. Listen button means it will be converted to audio.
Add to library button.
Then add to library.
Stop recording. Add listen. OCR
Now,
button.
if you click on OCR button, what happened? Before what happened, it will start processing, and until it's complete, you cannot read the book. But in TF5, while it is being processed, you can still read. For example, you have 5 pages of PDF book, and while you start the processing of OCR, now let's suppose page 1 is being processed, then page 2 is being processed. While page 2 is being processed, you can read the page 1. While page 3 is being processed, you can read the page 2. And the best part is you can read it at the top, and the bottom you can check the progress. So let me do this first.
Action on.
Now once you click on OCR, what happened earlier, you have to do the OCR for entire document. Now suppose you have 500 pages or 300 pages PDF, it will take almost time. Now you have the option to choose. First is
action on.
Action
Heading.
on.
Current page button.
Current page means it will only OCR the current page.
Entire file button.
Entire file.
Page range.
Page
button.
range. So if you choose page range, there you can have 2 edit boxes, start page, from page and to page. So only specific page you can select to scan.
Entire
to
file
OCR.
button.
So just click on entire file.
Processing page 1 of 1. TF reader. OCR button. Disable.
As it
Alert.
is. See.
OCR completed successfully.
OCR completed
Text extracted.
successfully. This
TF
text is
reader.
there. Okay, everything is now extracted. Now here you can just
Ask
clicking
TFAI.
ask TFAI.
Action on.
Now again you will find action on.
Action on. Current page.
Current page.
Entire page range.
Page
button.
range. Which means now suppose you are reading a book of 100 pages and you know that your answer currently you are reading page number 50 and you want to find the answer or something from that page, so you can select the current page. Or maybe you know that this is the chapter, suppose some chapter is from page 40 to 60, so you can select 40 to 60 and you can create MCQs, you can ask TFA any questions from those chapters, from that chapter. Okay, that is possible.
Stop recording.
Okay.
Page entire file.
So you can
button.
explore it on your own also, and then you
reader.
can let me know if you have any doubts or comments into the comment section. So this is almost the same thing, like listen is also there.
Listen.
Let's
button.
just click on listen and let's
Select
see.
voice profile.
So now it is asking select voice profile. Now you can choose the voice you want to.
Select voice off. OCR before audio. Switch.
OCR before audio, which means if this file is not processed by OCR, then you can turn it on, and while you are listening, while you click on listen button, automatically your files will be processed as a OCR first, then your audio will be listened.
There's no voice profile added. Add voice profile.
Add voice profile.
Edit box. Voice profile name.
So here you can give a voice profile name. You can create a voice profile here.
Provider.
Then
Drop
choose
down
the
menu.
provider, voice provider.
Add voice profile.
Add
button.
voice
Disabled.
profile. Okay, so what is this voice profile? If you want to know more, just comment below TF voice profile. I'll make a different video on this topic, but I just want to tell you voice profile is like, for example, this is a Bengali book or English book, so you can select different voice for English, different voice for Bengali, different voice for other languages. Like this you can choose. Okay, so that is possible. Now if you want to know more about the voice profile of TF reader, let me know into the comment section.
Document reader.
After document reader, let's move to the next.
App backup. On cache document suite button.
Now document suite. What is this? This has 2 features. So let me open it.
Document suite.
Once you open it, you will have 2 tabs at the bottom of the screen.
Selected. Converter. Tab.
Converter
One of
tab is
two.
now selected,
In list.
and then
Creator. Tab.
creator tab is
Stop recording.
okay.
Creator.
So first
Tab.
is converter,
Two.
means you
In
can
list.
convert the
Format.
document.
Format. Drop. Choose document.
Choose
Button.
document,
Format.
then format.
Docs. Window pop-up
Now
window.
docs is available. So if you have any PDF file, you can save it as a docs also.
PDF.
PDF also, you can just convert any document to PDF
Text.
also. TXT file.
Stop recording. Text. PD. Docs.
Maybe other features will
Document
also
speed.
come soon. Maybe, I'm not sure. I want actually those features. So if you want also, don't forget to let us know into the comment section, so that maybe they will be alerted. So now the next we have
Creator.
Creator. If you
Creator.
click Creator
Selected.
tab, then
Stop. 11 with back.
Here.
Edit box. Name.
name,
Edit box. Content.
Content.
Format. Drop down
let's say
menu.
what's the format is.
Docs. PD. Docs.
Doc file. Yes, you can create the doc file also, though you cannot like format like in MS Word or Google Doc, but still you can create a doc file. You
PDF.
can create PDF files,
Text.
text
Stop
files.
record. Tech. PD. Docs.
That's fine, that's
Text
very
freedom.
interesting.
Image analyzer.
Then we have image analyzer. Under image analyzer, let's see what's there.
Image analyzer.
Now two tabs are there like in image analyzer.
Take picture. Button. Home. Button. Upload. Take picture.
Sorry,
Stop recording.
not two tabs. I
Turn on
gave,
flash button.
wrong things. What you have to do is, this is the scene description. Scene description feature is renamed as image analyzer. So here you can take the direct picture and then analyze it. Next,
Image generate. Instant. Image
generator is
Button.
the same as it is.
Instant reader.
Instant reader is same as it is.
My player. Button.
My player is also same as it is.
Navigation.
Navigation
Button.
is also same as it is.
News hub. Button.
News hub. Under news hub, you will have three tabs
News
now.
hub. Selected. News. Tab.
News
One of
tab
three.
is there.
In
Under
list.
this
Three
news
items.
tab, you will see the
Alert.
news,
News hub.
various things.
Current affairs. Tab.
Then
Two of
current
three.
affairs tab. Under this current affairs tab, you will find the current affairs, which was a standalone feature earlier.
E-papers.
Then
Tab. Three of
e-papers.
three.
So under e-papers, you will find the all e-papers available in TF.
Home. Viewers list.
Next.
Button. Text to audio. Note. News. News.
Notepad is same text audio, same text
Button.
translate is also
TFAI.
same.
Button.
TFAI. Now in TFAI there is an interesting feature. Let me open it first. In TFAI,
Showing English.
now
Media quality.
assistant is renamed as TFAI, and now you can send a document here directly.
Attach document.
Attach document.
Button.
If you click here, you can choose the document, and then you can ask any questions about the document. So you have two options. You can go to the document features, and then you can send the documents, or here you can directly upload the document. Then you can obviously you can ask any questions. You can do whatever you want.
Send. Open. Stick. Gift setting. Keyboard hidden. Attach document. Send. Stop. 30. Back. TF. Edit box. Attach. Edit box.
So these are the features and updates. Now one more thing, under the
Selected. Home.
I mean, at the
Tab.
bottom of the
One of
screen,
three.
you will find
list.
home,
Three. Podcast.
podcast,
More. Tab.
and
Three
more
of three.
tab. So under more tab, you will find
Selected. Stop recording. 14 minutes. Text. Join my account.
various
Button.
options like my accounts, join us, etc., etc. So
Home.
this
Home.
is
Home.
these are the
Selected.
changes in TF5 version. If you have any doubts or any questions, you can directly ask into the comment section. I will definitely try to make videos while replying you, or I can directly reply you in the comment section. If you want, you can join us on WhatsApp, Telegram. Links are given in the video description below. If you want to join our courses, visit our website from the about page of our official YouTube channel. The same video will be also available in our Hindi channel soon. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this content helpful, like the video, share the video, and don't forget to press the hype button. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.